She is cooking up a storm, and me like how she a gwan. Me say you want to taste it, you have to taste it, and when you taste it, you can't erase it. Hey, Jody cooking delicious.
Hi guys, it's Jody. Welcome back to my channel. Today I've got another amazing, delicious recipe for you all. I'm gonna make some ground beef tacos. Yes, I'm telling you. I know that I already have a video on my channel on how I make taco, but this one is gonna be a bit different. It's gonna be super delicious. You guys are gonna enjoy it also. I'm telling you, I cannot wait for you guys to try it because I know you all, as I said, are gonna enjoy it. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share it to your families, to your friends, and everyone on your social media. I will really appreciate it. Don't forget also, guys, to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't already, and hit your notification button for whenever I upload a video. You will be the first to see it. Okay, so stay tuned. So just before I show you guys all my ingredients, I just want to read the word of the Lord for you guys, and I pray that you all is blessed by it. So it's from Jeremiah 17 verse 7. So it said, "Blessed is the one who trusts in the Lord, whose confidence is in him." Amen. I pray that you all is blessed by this verse. I love you, but remember that God loves you so much. So guys, this is just some of my ingredients. This is my ground beef. This is lean beef, okay? This is 750 grams. I also have 1 can of chopped tomato puree, at least 4 tablespoons. I also have some scallion, 3 cloves of garlic, and at least 2 teaspoons of my fresh thyme. Just a little bit of scallion and half onion. These are my seasoning. Here I have 1 tablespoon of my garlic powder, 2 teaspoons of my all-purpose seasoning, 2 teaspoons of my smoked paprika, 2 teaspoons of my black pepper, and 1 teaspoon of my onion powder. Yes. So guys, this is all my filling for my tacos. Here I have 2 tomatoes that I finely chopped. I also have half of red onion that I finely chopped, as you can see. Some sweet pepper, bell pepper, this is half. As you can see, it is finely chopped, okay? And I also have the green, the orange, and the yellow. And make sure, guys, it is cut really small, okay? Sweet corn, just use you know, the amount that you prefer. This is the amount that I'm gonna use. Shred lettuce, this is my cheddar cheese. I have the white and I also have the orange. And I also have some mayonnaise. This is at least 2 tablespoons of my mayonnaise. And I also have some cheese sauce. And this is at least 2 tablespoons.
Come in at the kitchen. Jody is cooking. She is cooking up a storm, and me like how she a gwan.
So guys, to my pot I add at least 2 tablespoons of my olive oil. So my oil is all heated up, so now I'm gonna add my onions, okay? Just gonna leave it to saute for at least 15 seconds. So after 15 seconds, I'm gonna add my garlic. Gonna leave it, guys, for at least another 15 seconds, okay? I'm just gonna blend all my seasoning, just combine. I'm gonna add just a little of my seasoning to my pot. I'm gonna mix it in. And now I'm gonna add my ground beef. Like so. I'm gonna mix it in. So guys, I'm just gonna leave it to brown. I'm not gonna cover it. Just leave it, you know, for a couple of minutes, okay? So guys, it is all browned, and that's exactly what you want. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add my seasoning. Just gonna mix it and combine. It smells so good. I'm also gonna add my scallion and my thyme, my spring onions. And now I'm gonna add my canned tomato, just like so. This is gonna be so delicious, guys. So guys, my canned tomato was in this can, okay? So what I did, I add at least 1/4 cup of water to it. And you just wanna, you know, shake it up and just add it. Just like so. Yes. I'll mix it in. And now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add my tomato puree. Add just 1/2 teaspoon of my salt. You can always taste it to your liking. Then I'm gonna add some sugar just to balance out the taste. At least 1 tablespoon of my sugar. Mix till combined. And I'm gonna leave it, guys, for at least 15 minutes, okay? I'm just gonna cover my pot, and as I said, leave it for at least 15 minutes. My stove is gonna be on a medium heat. Try not to turn it up too high because you don't want it to stick, okay? So guys, it is all finished. Oh my gosh, this looks absolutely delicious. It looks so good. Perfect. I'm gonna turn off my stove. So guys, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add just a little bit of my sweet pepper. Nice and crunchy, that's the reason why. Yeah, that's it. I'm gonna also add some of my red onions, just for crunch. And I'm also gonna add just a little bit of my sweet corn. That's it. So I'm just gonna put it to the side, okay? So guys, I'm just gonna eat up my tacos. I'm gonna add just a small amount of my olive oil. Brush it. You can also eat it up in your oven, even if you have an air fryer. So guys, I'm using hard shell tacos, okay? Just gonna add it just like so. Make sure your stove is not turned up. Flip it over. Just leave it for at least 10 seconds, okay? No longer than that. So now I'm just gonna remove it, put them to my plate.
Come in at the kitchen. Jody is cooking. She is cooking up a storm. And me like how she a gwan. Me say you want to taste it. You have to taste it. And when you taste it, you can't erase it. Hey!
Guys, here I have everything right here. So firstly, I'm gonna add some of my ground beef to my taco. Guys, trust me, it looks so delicious. I cannot wait for you guys to try this recipe. Just take your time. I'm gonna add some of my sweet corn. Some of my red onion. Sweet pepper. And I also have some avocado. My tomato. Some lettuce. So a little bit of my cheese. And some of my mayonnaise with my cheese. You can just add it, anywhere. And just brush it up. You can just add just a little bit more of your sweet pepper on top. So guys, this is one right here. You just want to carry on with the same process. Try not to fill it up too much with that minced meat, okay? That's it. I'm not gonna add too much.
how she a go on. Me say you want to taste it, you have to taste it. And when you taste it, you can't erase it. Hey! Jolly cooking, delicious cooking. Hey! Jolly cooking, straight from the kitchen. Subscribe for more of these delicious recipes. Hit the thumbs up and share across all your social media platforms for more of these amazing delicious recipes from Jody Cooking. Cooking, delicious cooking. Jody Cooking, straight from the kitchen. Jody Cooking, delicious cooking. Jody Cooking, straight from the kitchen.
I'm just gonna add some lime and lemon just around it, just for presentation. It is totally optional. Guys, it looks super delicious. This looks so good. It's gonna be the best taco you will ever have. Trust me. Your families, your friends, everyone is gonna enjoy it. So guys, this is it. This is how I make my ground beef taco. If you try this recipe, please comment below and tell me what it's like, okay? Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and as I said, share. I thank you all so much for watching. Until next time, bye. Thank you all so much for all your love and your support. I really appreciate it. Bye guys.
Subscribe for more of these delicious recipes. Hit the thumbs up and share across all your social media platforms for more of these amazing delicious recipes from Jody Cooking. Cooking, delicious cooking. Jody Cooking, straight from the kitchen.